What is required for all minors under the age of 18 who are applying for a driver's license or instruction permit in Alaska? A. Notarization of all documents. B. An online test. C. Parental consent. D. A $15 fee. Answer: C. Parental consent. If a minor under the age of 18 is involved in a motor vehicle crash while driving with a non-commercial instruction permit, who may be liable for damages? A. The minor. B. The minor's parent or guardian. C. Both the minor and the minor's parent or guardian. D. Neither the minor nor the minor's parent or guardian. Answer: C. Both the minor and the minor's parent or guardian. If a driver is involved in a crash resulting in property damage exceeding $501, how many days do they have to provide proof of insurance to the Division of Motor Vehicles? A. 30 days. B. 10 days. C. 7 days. D. 15 days. Answer: D. 15 days. What is the first thing you should do after a car accident? A. Exchange information with the other driver. B. Move your vehicle out of the way if it is blocking traffic. C. Help anyone who may be hurt. D. Contact the police. Answer: B. Move your vehicle out of the way if it is blocking traffic. If a crash results in an injury or total property damage of $2,000 or more within a municipality, who should be immediately contacted? A. The nearest hospital. B. The local police department. C. Your insurance company. D. Alaska State Troopers. Answer: B. The local police department. How often can a driver take a defensive driver course, DDC, for a point reduction? A. Once in their lifetime. B. Once every 5 years. C. Once every 24 months. D. Once every 12 months. Answer: D. Once every 12 months. What is the primary purpose of the implied consent law in Alaska? A. To enforce speed limits. B. To determine the alcohol concentration in one's blood or breath. C. To check vehicle registration. D. To ensure seatbelt usage. Answer: B. To determine the alcohol concentration in one's blood or breath. If you get caught with a first-time DUI, how far could you have gone in a taxi with that cost? A. 11,370 miles. B. 8,470 miles. C. 5,685 miles. D. 14,250 miles. Answer: A. 11,370 miles. What is the minimum amount one could expect to pay for a court-appointed attorney for a change of plea in a DUI case? A. $50. B. $100. C. $200. D. $250. Answer: C. $200. What is the penalty for a first offense of using a false or fraudulent driver's license to obtain alcohol in Alaska? A. 30-day driver's license revocation. B. 90-day driver's license revocation. C. 1-year driver's license revocation. D. 60-day driver's license revocation. Answer: D. 60-day driver's license revocation. What happens if a minor refuses to submit to a chemical test in Alaska after consuming alcohol? A. Their license is suspended for 30 days. B. They can be arrested or cited. C. They are fined $500. D. They have to perform 100 hours of community service. Answer B. They can be arrested or cited. What type of substance is alcohol? A. Stimulant. B. Hallucinogen. C. Depressant. D. Opioid. Answer C. Depressant. What has the same amount of alcohol as a single shot, 1.5 ounce, of 80 proof alcohol? A. 6 ounces of beer. B. 12 ounces of beer. C. 2 ounces of wine. D. 4 ounces of wine. Answer B. 12 ounces of beer. What is the primary method for the body to eliminate the effects of alcohol? A. Drinking black coffee. B. Taking a cold shower. C. Consuming food. D. Time and natural metabolism. Answer D. Time and natural metabolism. Which of the following is not a side effect of alcohol consumption? A. Improved sense of responsibility. B. Interference with vision. C. Impaired hearing. D. Reduced balance. Answer A. Improved sense of responsibility. What does alcohol do to the functioning of the brain when consumed? A. Increases alertness. B. Enhances vision. C. Slows reactions. D. Improves coordination. Answer C. Slows reactions. A child who is 1 year old and weighs 22 pounds should be secured in A. A rear-facing child safety seat. B. A child restraint device. C. A booster seat. D. A regular seat belt. Answer B. A child restraint device. How should a child who is 6 years old, 56 inches tall, and weighs 62 pounds be secured in a motor vehicle according to Alaska law? A. In a booster seat. B. In a rear-facing child safety seat. C. Using a regular seat belt. D. In a child restraint device. Answer A. In a booster seat. How can the $15 fine for persons convicted under the seatbelt law be waived? A. By attending a traffic safety course. B. By donating $15 to the EMS organization. C. By doing community service. D. By appealing in court. Answer B. By donating $15 to the EMS organization. If you are driving and need to make a call, what should you do? A. Make the call quickly. B. Use a hands-free device. C. Pull over to a safe area first. D. Ask a passenger to dial for you. Answer C. Pull over to a safe area first. In Alaska, what is the rule regarding phone usage while driving on all bases? A. Phone usage is allowed only for texting. B. Phone usage is allowed only with hands-free devices. C. Phone usage is completely prohibited while driving. D. There is no restriction on phone usage. Answer C. phone usage is completely prohibited while driving. If you are unfamiliar with a route, what should you do before starting your drive? A. Start driving and figure it out along the way. B. Ask a passenger to guide you while you drive. C. Rely solely on GPS. D. Review maps and directions in advance. Answer: D. Review maps and directions in advance. What do orange flags and signs typically indicate on the road? A. School zone. B. High hazard area, maintenance and construction. C. Wildlife crossing. D. Residential area. Answer: B. High hazard area, maintenance and construction. According to AS 28.35.140, when are drivers on a two-lane roadway outside of an urban area required to pull over? A. When they feel like it. B. When there is one vehicle immediately behind them. C. When they want to make a phone call. D. When there are 5 or more vehicles immediately behind them. Answer: D. When there are 5 or more vehicles immediately behind them. What is a driver's duty concerning following vehicles? A. To always maintain the same speed. B. To always keep a distance of 5 meters. C. To yield to following vehicles. D. To not use turn signals. Answer: C. To yield to following vehicles. What is the recommended method to calculate a safe following distance during normal driving conditions? A. 2-second rule. B. 3-second rule. C. 4-second rule. D. 5-second rule. Answer: C. 4-second rule. If you are towing a trailer or the road surface is wet or slippery, how should you adjust your following distance using the 4-second rule? A. Decrease to 2 seconds. B. Stay at 4 seconds. C. Decrease to 3 seconds. D. Increase to 6 or more seconds. Answer: D. Increase to 6 or more seconds. What is the most important thing to do to avoid being struck by a vehicle from behind? A. Make sure your brake lights are clean and working properly. B. Be aware of what is going on behind you. C. Signal well in advance for lane changes, stops, or turns. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. How much greater is the striking power of a vehicle when you double the speed from 20 to 40 miles per hour? A. 2 times greater. B. 3 times greater. C. 4 times greater. D. 5 times greater. Answer: C. 4 times greater. Which of the following is the maximum speed limit in a business district? A. 20 miles per hour. B. 25 miles per hour. C. 30 miles per hour. D. 35 miles per hour. Answer: A. 20 miles per hour.